everyone, Namaskara. Today in this video, let us discuss about the Asthi Shareera, a topic from first Phase Rachana Shareera. As you can see here, we can expect a 5-mark question for short answer question from this topic. Firstly, what are the points to be covered under this topic? The definition, number of Asthi according to different Acharyas, types of Asthi, Asthi Swarupa, Asthi Sangata, Asthi Simanta, and at last we shall look into few applied aspects based on Asthi Shareera. Asthi can be merely correlated with the bones in modern science. It is the hardest part of the human body or living body which gives a basic framework or the structure to the body and which helps in performing various physical activities. We shall study in detail one by one. Coming to the first point, that is the definition. Asyate iti astihi. This is the nirukti. Asyate. In Sanskrit we have listened to this word. Asyate means which is present. Iti astihi. Then this is the important definition for Asthi Shareera, which is compulsory to be written. Yasmat chira vinashteshu tvak mamseshu sharirinam astini na vinashyanti sarandetani dehinam. From the reference Sushruta Sharirasthana, 5th chapter, 22nd shloka. As I've already said, Asthi is the hardest part of the whole body. So, as we know, after the death of a person, the whole body undergoes decaying. Chira vinashteshu, that is in the less time, tvak, that is the skin, and the mamsa of the Shareera gets decayed. Means tvak and mamsa of a Shareera gets decayed within a short period of time after the death. But Asthini na vinashyanti means Asthi does not undergo decay. It does not get destructed or destroyed even after the whole body gets decayed. So this is the hardest part of a body which does not undergo the process of decaying even after the death of the person. Asthi eka katinamshaha dehi asmin. It also gives a similar meaning, but this shloka is compulsory to be written for the definition of Asthi Shareera. Coming to the next point, that is the Asthi Swarupa, the characteristics of an Asthi. First point is the Katinatva, that is, it is hard enough to break. Then Kharatva, it is rough. Sthira, it is always stiff, we cannot bend Asthi easily. Then it does the Dharana Karma of the body. As I have said, it is a basic framework, so it gives the support for performing any function or for the stiffness of the body. Then Pushti of Majja. As we know, in the Saptadhatus, Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja. So it nourishes the next upcoming Dhatu, that is the Majja Dhatu. Then Parthiva Pradhana. As we know that anything or everything in this universe is derived from the derivatives of Pancham Mahabhutas. So Asthi is mainly the Parthiva, that is Prithvi Mahabhuta Pradhana. Then Pitruja Bhava. This Asthi is derived from the Pitruja Bhava, that is during the formation of the zygote, based on the predominance of Pitruja Bhava. Because of its hardness, we say that Asthi is derived from the Pitruja Bhava. Then Asthi Mala. What are the Asthi Malas? That is the Nakha, that is the nails, and Kesha, that is the hair. This is about the Asthi Swarupa. Then the next topic is the Pancham Mahabhutika called Swarupa. That is, we know that each and every Dravya is derived from the Pancham Mahabhutas. Similarly, in Asthi also, the 5 Pancham Mahabhutas are also present in various forms. Let us look into this. Firstly, the Akasha Mahabhuta. As we know, Asthi is porous and spongy. It consists of the Haversian canal and it creates the cavity, that is the bone marrow, what we call in the modern science. So all these characteristics of Asthi is because of the Akasha Mahabhuta. Then the second one is the Vayu Mahabhuta. As we know, Vayu mainly correlates with the movements. So Vayu Mahabhuta causes the movements, then the growth, regeneration of the Asthi. So they are given a Sanskrit term as Pranamayata. Then the third one is the Teja Mahabhuta. Rakta Sanchalana. As we know, even the bone also requires the blood circulation. So Teja Mahabhuta helps in the Rakta Sanchalana, and the Sanskrit term is Raktamayata. Then the Jala Mahabhuta, the synovial fluid which is present in between the bones to avoid the friction while the movements. So Jala Mahabhuta is mainly present in the form of synovial fluid. Then the Prithvi Mahabhuta, as I have already said, Asi is the Prithvi Pradhanatva. So Prithvi, that is Kanijayukta and Katina. These characters is mainly based upon the Prithvi Mahabhuta. These are the constitution of the 5 Pancham Mahabhutas in the Asthi. Then the next topic is the Utpatti of Asthi Dhatu. That is how the formation of Asthi takes place in our body. रसादर्थम ततो मांसम मांसान मेधा प्रजायते मेधसो अस्ति ततो मज्जाः मज्जा शुक्रम तु जायते. From the reference Sushruta Sutrasthana 14th chapter 10th shloka. There is another reference from Charaka Chikitsasthana, that is Rasadartham tato mamsam mamsan medas tato asti cha. From the reference Charaka Chikitsasthana 15th chapter 15th shloka. As I have already said, Rasadhatu, there are Sapta Dhatus. Among them, Asti is also the one Dhatu. So, from the Rasa Dhatu, the Rakta Dhatu is formed. Then from the Rakta Dhatu, the Mamsa Dhatu is formed. Then from Mamsa, Medha, and from Medha, there is the formation of Asti Dhatu, and it continues. We know that Rasa Dhatu is formed from the Ahara Rasa, that is the food what we intake. We'll study about this in detail in the Kriya Shareera, that is the formation of the Sapta Dhatus. So, here the concept to be understood is the sequence of the formation of the various dhatus and the formation of Asti. So, Asti is mainly formed from the Medha Dhatu. Then, this also gives a similar meaning, that is from the Rasa, Rakta is formed, then from the Rakta, Mamsa to Medha, and from Medha, Asti Dhatu is formed. So, Asti is mainly formed from the Medha Dhatu, and this gives the portion to the Majja Dhatu, which is formed in the later stages. This is all about the Utpatti or the formation of Asti in our body. Now let's discuss about the karma of Asti Dhatu. Asthine Deha Dharanam Majjaha Pushticha. As I have already said previously, that is Asti Dhatu gives portion to the next Dhatu, that is the Majja Dhatu. So this is a simple shloka from Sushruta Sutrasthana 15th chapter 7th shloka. The main karma, that is function of Asti Dhatu, is it supports and nourishes the Majja Dhatu. Then particular shape to the body. It gives a particular shape to the body. Without bones, can we imagine a person? No, right? Then it supports the muscles, veins, ligaments, and so many structures in our body. Then its main function is the viscera protection. See, the rib cage, the sternum, the vertebra, all these supports the major or the vital organs in our body. Like it might be the heart, lungs, etc. So it mainly plays a vital role in the viscera protection. Then the movements of the body, can only the muscles of a human body move, or even an animal? No, right? Without the proper framework or the bones, nothing in the body moves. Then the structural framework, this is the basic one, that it gives the structural framework to the whole body. It might be of an animal, or it might be of a bird or a human being. So it gives a proper structure to the whole body. This is all about the karma of Asti Dhatu. Then the next topic is the Asti Sankhya. This is the most important one, and it is the most frequently asked. Trini sa shashtinya asti shatani vedavadito bhashante shalyatantreshu tu trineva shatani tesham savimshatim asti shatam shakhasu saptadashottaram shatam shonipashva prushta urahasu griva pratyurdva trishashtihi ekam asnam trini shatani Puryante. From the reference Sushruta Shareera 5th chapter 18th shloka. So here we will learn about according to Sushruta Acharya, and I'll give the different Acharyas differences in the next slide of this video. Firstly, Trini sa shashtinya asti shatani Vedavadito bhashante. According to the Vedavadita, means the followers of Veda, there are about 360 bones. So according to Vedavadita, means the followers of Veda, there are 360 bones. Next, Shalya Tantreshu tu Trineva Shatani, means according to the persons who follow the Shalya Tantra, there are 300 bones in the human body. So next, Tesham and according to modern, we already know there are 206, that is 206 bones in a human body. Then according to Sushruta Acharya, Tesham savimshatim asti shatam shakhasu, means in the shakha region, that is in the lower and the upper extremities, there are 120 bones. Then Saptadashottaram Shatam Shroni Parshva Prushta Urahasu means Shroni refers to the hip, Parshva refers to the side, that is the flanks, then Prushta refers to the back, Uraha refers to the chest region. Make a proper differentiation between Uraha and Uru. Uraha refers to the chest region and Uru refers to the thigh. So that mentioned Urahasu. So these are the parts which come in the Madhya Bhaga of a human body. So in the Madhya Bhaga there are 117 bones. Then Griva Pratyurdva means Griva refers to the neck. So above the neck, that is Urdhva Jatrugata. Above the neck there are 360 Ekamastam means there are 63 bones. That is from the Urdhva Jatrugata Bhaga there are 63 bones. So there are overall 300 bones in a human body. This is about according to the Sushruta Acharya. So here we can see according to Acharya Sushruta, according to Acharya Charaka and according to the modern science. So here a question arises, that is why there might be difference between Acharya Charaka's opinion and about Acharya Sushruta's opinion. See, Charaka is a general physician, so he'll think about the overall body structure and the bones present in it. But Acharya Sushruta is a surgeon, so he is the Shalya Tantra person who thinks up in that perspective. So their perspective changes based on the work or based on the the way they treat a person. So according to Acharya Sushruta, I have already mentioned with the shloka, in Shakagata there are 120 bones. According to Charaka also 120 and according to modern also it is 120. So it is same. Then in the Madhya Bhaga, according to Sushruta it is 117, that is 117. According to Charaka it is 140 and according to modern only 57 bones are there. Then in the Urdhva Jatrugata Bhaga, according to Sushruta it is 63 bones, according to Charaka it is 100 and according to modern there are 29 bones. Overall the count is 300 according to Charaka and 206 according to modern. The next important topic is the types of Asthi, that is the Asthi Veda according to Sushrutaracharya. Sushrutaracharya 5th chapter 22nd shloka. Etani Panchavidani Bhavanti. There are 5 types of the Asthi. Tadyata, Kapala, Ruchaka, Taruna, Valaya and Nalaka. Sanyani. These are the 5 types of Asthi, that is Kapalasi, Ruchakasti, Tarunasti, Valayasti, then Nalakasti. Coming to the first one, that is Kapalasi. This is a group of flat bones. Tesham, Janu, that is the knee. Nitamba, that is the gluteal region, the bones present in the gluteal region. Then Amsa is the scapular region. Then the Ganda refers to the cheeks. Then Taru, that is the palate. Shanka refers to the temporal region. Shiraha, it is the head. So Kapalani, so the flat bones which comes in these regions refers to the Kapalasi. Second one is the Ruchakasi, Dashanasu Ruchakani, that is Dashana here refers to the teeth which helps in the mastication, chewing and cutting of the food. Thereby we can perceive the taste of that particular food. So to remember it easily, Ruchaka, Ruchi means which is related to the mouth. So Dashana, these can be remembered like this. Third type of bone, that is Tarunasi, which mainly refers to the cartilages, means which are soft and elastic. Grana Karna Griva Akshikosheshu Tarunani. So Grana, that is the nose, Karna, ears, Griva, that is the neck, then Akshikosheshu, that is orbit of the eye. These come under the Tarunasi. Then fourth one is Valayasti. Valaya refers to the semicircular or circular shape of bones. So mainly Parshva, that is flanks, Prushta, that is back, Uraha, that is chest, Valayani. So these bones come under the Valayasti. Then Nalakasti, that is the long tubular bones. Sheshani Nalasanyani means Sheshani refers to the leftover or the other bones come under the group Nalakasti. Mainly we can say the bones which are having the bone marrow comes under Nalakasti, which are long and tubular. Then sixth one is the Anvasi. This is not explained among this category, but the same Acharya Sushruta has mentioned this Anvasi kind of bones in some other context, which mainly refers to the small bones, that is the bones of gulfur, that is ankle or the wrist bones. These come under the Anvasi. This is all about the Asthi Beda. The next topic is on Asthi Sangata. There are mainly 14 kinds of Asthi Sangata. What do we mean by Asthi Sangata? It refers to the group of bones and the bony processes clustered together, refers to Asthi Sangata. Chatur Dashasna Sangataha. There are 14 Asthi Sangatas. Tesham Trayo Gulfa Janu Vangsneshu. First three are Gulfa, that is ankle, Janu knee, and Vangsneshu, that is hip. Then Etena Tara Sakti Bahu means elbow and the shoulder joint. Then Vyakyatau Trika Shiraso Ekaikaha. Shira is also one among the Asthi Sangata. So all these together forms the Asthi Sangata. I'll repeat once again. Asthi Sangata refers to the group of bones and the bony processes clustered together, refers to Asthi Sangata. Second one, Asthi Simanta. When there will be the cluster of bones and bony processes, there will obviously be the sutures, that is the lines formed where there will be the joint of those two bones. So that refers to the Simanta, Asthi Simanta. They are also 14 in number. Sangata, Sivita, Yastu, Simantanstan, Prachakshmahe from the Dallana commentary, and this is from Sushruta Sharirasana 5th chapter 16 sloka. This is on the Dallana commentary on Sushruta Samhita itself. So they are also 14 in number. I repeat once again. Asthi Simanta refers to the lines of sutures of Asthi Sangata, and Asthi Sangata is a group of bones and the bony processes clustered together. This is all about Asthi Sangata and Asthi Simanta. The last point is the applied aspects or the clinical aspects. It is important to mention here the clinical aspects at the end of any topic, especially when it comes to Rachana Shareera or Kriya Shareera. Few applied aspects of the clinical conditions where we need to have a thorough knowledge on Asthi Shareera are Asthi Kshaya, osteoporosis, rheumatoid arthritis, Asthi Shareera, and etc. There are a number of diseases related to osteology or the Asthi. But here I have enlisted few, and in detail about this we'll learn in the upcoming videos, and of course in the Roganidhana Evam Vikriti Vijnana, and that also we'll learn the diseases related to this. With this we have completed our topic Asthi Shareera. Stay tuned with Adwitiyah. Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.